Hello crafty friends and happy SheetLoad of Cards Day. I hope you'll stick around to see what the May 2026 SheetLoad of Cards has in store and find out how you can download it for free. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here today. If you are new to my channel, each month I stop by with a brand new card making printable for my subscribers. I give you a new sketch, supply list, and cutting guides to make the most of your products and yield a sheetload of cards. This is usually anywhere between 6 and 12, depending on the paper and the card size. These printables are free to all subscribers for 2 years, and channel members have ongoing access, which right now this is the 81st edition that I have shared here on YouTube. Today I will be sharing a look at the new printable, my first set of cards, and then telling you how you can download the file. Tomorrow I will be back to show you how I made my first set, and my creative team will be joining me in sharing their sets for the month. Make sure that if you're not yet subscribed to everyone, that you check out my description box below where I have links to all of their channels. I know that they will all be so happy tomorrow when you stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love. Let's go ahead and take a look at the May 2026 SheetLoad of Cards. This month's printable is a special edition that if you follow the sketch, supply list, and cutting guides, it will show you how to make 12 tent topper cards using just 2 pieces of 12 by 12 pattern paper. Now, if you don't know what a tent topper card is, no problem. You can check out the sketch here and you'll see the finished product here shortly when I share my first set. This is basically when you have a smaller card base and you put something that hangs over the top. For May 2026, when your card is put together, it will still fit in an A2 envelope. And tomorrow I'll give you some tips on how you can assure that that will happen. This sketch was inspired by a past SheetLoad of Cards, which was from September 2022, and it was a mini slimline tent topper card. I just think this is a fun take on cards, a little something different, so I thought we would do a more standard size of card. If you're not yet ready to commit to a full SheetLoad, all 12 cards, you can always try one out. And to do that, you'll use the single piece dimensions I give here on page 1. And then as always, SheetLoad is a great jumping off point for you to make the card your own. So I give some alternative ideas down here of how you can do that. But I know that when my creative team shares tomorrow, we are going to see so many more ways. And speaking of seeing more ways how to make the SheetLoad your own, if you create a set, we would love to see it. If you share on social media, you can use the hashtags at the top. And to find out other ways to show us your SheetLoad, check out the guidelines video, which is linked in the description box below. Page 2 of the printable is going to show you how you cut your 2 pattern papers. There is a little bit of leftover this month that you could maybe use to decorate the inside of your cards. And it will also show you how to cut all of your cardstocks for your card bases, matting, and sentiment pieces. This month does require 9 pieces of cardstock, but that also includes 6 pieces that you will use for the card base and for your sentiment circle. Again, tomorrow I will give you lots of more tips and details on how all of this goes together. Before I share a look at my first set for this month, I did want to take a few minutes to recognize some special channel members, including a category that has not yet been celebrated. In the month of April, I had some members reach big milestones. Celebrating 2 years of membership are the following: Donna Rotundo, Sue Kimmett, Jennifer Willems, Melissa Klepser, Dorothy Ford, Lori Watts, Dawn L., Naomi Fordham, Beth Rogers, Tammy Von Loo, Janet Wick, and Inez Graham. The following members are celebrating 3 years of membership: Mona Gutierrez, Linda Ringel, Carol Novick, Marilyn Schleppy, Chris Klein, Virginia Ellison, Chris Bell Owens, Karen Therrelson, Heather Robertson, Ann Warnock Beaver, Lori Brock, Sally Atlas, Rebecca Craft Therapy, Naomi S., Marilyn Kegels, Ruthie B., Ginny Hopper, Deb Peterson, Not Afraid of Color, Paula Makes Cards, and Susan Britton. Celebrating 4 years are the following members: Create with Scrappy Cat, Ann Ricks, Marcina McCutcheon, Rosie Jalifi, and Red Daisy Crafts. And for the very first time, I get to announce members who are celebrating 5 years of membership. A great big thank you to the following: Jessica Yarbrough, Kathy Weber, Lucy Schmidt, John Yell, Susan Smurf Murphy, Sherry Young, Laura Edmondson, Rondita 95, Leslie Herman, Crafty Days, Debbie Skluzak, Bertha Cunningham, and Julia McLaren. Thanks again to all of you for your continued support. Now let's go ahead and take a look at my first set of cards using the May 2026 SheetLoad of Cards printable. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at my first set of cards using the May 2026 SheetLoad of Cards. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now let me tell you how you can download the free printable. If you would like to make your own tent topper cards, as always, I do ask that before you click on the file link, which I'll tell you where that's at here in just a minute, that you are subscribed to my channel. It's free, it's quick, it's easy. Just click on the button right below this video. And while you're there, why don't you ring that bell for all notifications so you're the first to know when I have a new video posted. We do just go on the honor system here. I don't make you send me any kind of proof that you have subscribed, but please do so. You will find the link to the May 2026 SheetLoad of Cards for the next 2 years down in the description box right below my related products list. Below the link, it will say to watch the video for your password, but you watching this far is your password. You can download it to your device and print it like I have, or you can download it to your device and just use it on screen. I can't wait to see what you create when you use the hashtags or send in a card for the end of the month video, and I look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow for my process video and the creative team hop. Until then, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.